When I look at this, I think what I'd like to do is I'd like to increase these dates by 10 years. So it's a training file, it's not been used potentially for a while, and I want to update it. So let's have a look at how we can use this using Paste Special rather than trying to do a calculation. So roughly 300,650 days are 10 years worth of days. I don't need to worry about the format, but I will take it off. So that is the copy element. I'm now going to select all my dates and I am going to paste special. And in Paste Special, we have this operation section. And in here, I'm going to add that number to every date. If I OK that, it will actually change those dates to numbers because, as you know, every date has a hidden serial number, and I'll reformat them as dates. Therefore, what that has done is it's added 3,650 to every single one of those cells without actually having a formula. If I take 365 days, let's take it back a year. I copy that, highlight, so Control-Shift down. I go to my Paste Special. And I say, subtract it by that value. Let's put them back as a date. And you can see that's added or deducted a year in each case, so 365 days. Let's put, we want the sale prices to all go up by £100. I take that £100, I take my sale price, and I Paste Special and add. You can see you've got each of the operands, plus, minus, divide and multiply, and you can do that to your data without actually creating a formula. So that's create a value, copy that value, paste special that value onto multiple cells to add, subtract, divide or multiply, and there's no formulas involved. See you next time.